Part 1. The shape of the universe. The universe might be finite yet without edges, like the surface of a sphere where you could walk forever and loop back without hitting a wall. Observations of the cosmic microwave background suggest a smooth, flat cosmos, but even a giant sphere looks flat when seen up close, so the true geometry may be more subtle than it appears. Part 2. We are stardust. Almost every atom in our bodies was forged in stars. Hydrogen and helium came from the early universe, but heavier elements like carbon, oxygen, and iron were born inside stars and scattered across space in supernovae. Quite literally, we are made of stardust. Part 3. The nature of time. Time isn't a single universal tick. It bends with motion and gravity. Satellites, planes, and even people at different altitudes experience time slightly differently. Without constant corrections, GPS would be useless. Every moment you live is unique, ticking differently from everyone else's, and near a black hole or at light speed, hours for you could equal years elsewhere. Part 4. Empty space isn't empty. Quantum fields bubble with fluctuations, producing virtual particles that flicker in and out of existence. These effects are measurable, like the Casimir effect, and may even power cosmic inflation and today's accelerating expansion. Driven by dark energy, ordinary matter makes up only a few % of the cosmos. Dark matter and dark energy dominate, yet remain mysterious. Part 5. The quantum world. At the smallest scales, particles behave like waves of probability, only choosing a definite state when observed. This strange principle underpins superposition and the promise of quantum computing, where information can exist in multiple states at once. Part 6. Life as an ecosystem. Our bodies are not just us. They are home to trillions of microbes that digest food, train our immune systems, and even influence mood. The line between you and your microbes is far less clear than you might think. Part 7. Hidden giants of life. The largest living organism on Earth is a subterranean fungus stretching across many square miles, quietly linking and nourishing forests through mycelial networks. Even our cells give off a faint bioluminescent glow invisible to the naked eye. Part 8. The mystery of the brain. Inside our skulls, a 3-pound brain, using about the power of a dim lamp, somehow creates consciousness, a phenomenon science still struggles to explain. Some theorists even suggest that reality itself may be holographic, encoded on a distant surface, with our 3-dimensional world as an illusion. Part 9. The illusion of touch and matter. You've never truly touched anything. Atoms are mostly empty space, and their electron clouds repel each other, creating the sensation of contact. Matter feels solid only because of invisible forces and quantum rules that prevent electrons from overlapping. Part 10. The life and death of stars. Our sun fuses hydrogen into helium in a delicate balance of gravity and fusion. In billions of years it will swell into a red giant, boiling away oceans and stripping Earth's atmosphere before collapsing into a white dwarf, the glowing ember of the star that once sustained life. Part 11. Cosmic catastrophes. Massive stars collapse into neutron stars so dense that a teaspoon of their matter outweighs mountains. Some spin into pulsars, sweeping space with beams of radiation. Push further, and they form black holes, regions where not even light can escape. And some theories suggest an even darker fate, the Big Rip, where cosmic expansion eventually tears galaxies, stars, and atoms apart. Part 12. The humbling view. There are more stars in the universe than grains of sand on Earth's beaches. Hubble's deep field showed that what looked like empty sky is crowded with galaxies, each holding billions of suns. And here we are, circling one ordinary star on the edge of one ordinary galaxy. The more we learn, the more humbling the universe becomes.